Hi, my name is Imran. I've really enjoyed this week. I've learned so much. I think the main thing that I've taken away is just taking some action. There's so much information available. Samuel's got loads of YouTube videos that I've learned a lot from. This week he's gone into so much detail, and so have the other mentors, which I've just found so valuable. But the main thing for me was just taking some action, which is why I've really enjoyed it.
Nice, and have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. I'm so glad I came. I would recommend it to anybody.
Wicked. What was the main thing you learned? What's like the key piece of advice for you?
That's a hard one. There's been so many. Today there was so much detail from Samuel's mum, Sue, in terms of the things to look out for when you're doing a refurbishment, just how to sell a lease option and the things to say. I also really like the fact that Samuel just kind of reiterates compassion and being a human and connecting with people on a human level. So it's just being genuine, trying to gather all the information. In fact, I'll tell you the key piece of information. It's basically understanding all the strategies and not thinking that, oh, this property I need to do, like thinking of the exit straight away. It's realizing that all of the strategies are different tools in your toolbox, and then you have to kind of be a bit dynamic in terms of when you apply it, and then think, if this doesn't work, I'll try this one, and just being kind of open to it.
What would you say to someone who's looking to get started?
I would definitely recommend coming to one of these courses. You're given a lot of support, you're given all the information that you need, you can have one-to-one time with the mentors as well, and just everybody that I've met is really, really supportive. I've made loads of connections, I've got some deals. 100% recommend it to anybody.